1, 2. Video. Naka-video. Anong ang date ngayon? 10. 10. Thank you. 10, 12. Ang haba na exposure mo. Ako naman. Nandito kami ngayon sa... Anong lugar to? Team building ng Team Jaguars ba kayo? Silver Jaguars. So ito ang mga team members. Philippines. Then there's Docs. Margie, of course. TL Joey. Andyan si Enzo. Mary Ann and the celebrity. Sino ka nga?
Bento.
Lunch muna kami. Anong lugar ito? Mall of Asia ba? Yun ang Mall of Asia. Yun namin sa labas. Ito, Julie's Ihaw-Ihaw.
It's after lunch.
Naglalakad kami sa, ano ba to? Side Baywalk. And look at the carousel.
Hindi naman yung tubigo dito.
Ferris wheel.
May aircon pa lang loob.
Shit, ang taas! AJ, sasakyan mo ba? Sasakyan namin. Today is December 15 and it's our Christmas party. So sasayaw kami. Ito ang aking mga ka-group. So ano nga name ng ating
UHG4.
UHG4. So meet my co-dancers. I have Jackie, Kuya Joe. I have my friend AJ here, and of course, my manager, Boss Edward. And the rest of the gang, we have Stephanie, and hindi ko sila kilala.
Si John.
Ayan.
Carly. Gasha, Gages.
Sasayaw kami mamaya, and I'm hoping na mananalo kami. So, yon. Hi, good evening. Today is, ang date ngayon? Ano? Today is March 23, 2013, and we are celebrating our 10th year of being graduates. So, these are my batchmates.
Hi.
Wala pa, excited. Hello. Rayland, Wilbert, hey. Here's Rosemary, Michael Mello, June Alagon, Christina Ilagan, Julie Ann Vittorias, and we have Jerwin Chongson, aka Cindy, Karen Manalo. We have Anthony Taverna. Tavera. Sorry, bakit? We have April and Shelo, Faith alias. April Kison ka.
Lagi ka na binubo.
Tapos, Lalaine Abinoman, Abigail Dequina, and
The producer of this.
gathering na ito. Jason. I thank him for doing this. So, kakain muna kami. I'll see you later.
Ang pinakasikat.
We also have Flor de Lisa Manuel. Kapilido ko yan nung high school. Dalawa kaming Manuel nun.